Hi, my name is Kevin from JBH. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to unbox D29A and have an initial setup. It's really simple and easy. Simply just open the top of the carton by cutting the tab and also the strap off. That we can open up the carton and then we lay the whole carton down. It's much easier for us to take out the units. It's very simple and easy. We have already got wheelchair out of the carton. First of all, let's check out. We have several accessories that we have it for initial setup. First of all is the seat cushion right on the back here, and then seat back cushion right between the wheelchair and also a charger inside the box. We have a controller and also use as a manual bag. Right here on the storage bag, we need to open up the wheelchair in order that we can take out the accessory. Just lift up the backrest because it's a special design, it's folded. When you hear a sound click, it's all set. Then we hold the top of the seat back and then lean the wheelchair to the front. We can open up the wheelchair. It's very simple and easy. Then we zip the storage bag, and then we can find out the controller here, and then a user's manual pack with safety belt and some simple tools for you available in the future. Let's set up the seat cushion right on the top of the seat here. And also the seat back cushion, we have the logo to the back. Insert it right between the space here, and then attach it to the seat back here. Final thing is the controller. We find out there is an insert pipe, and then there's a pipe under the armrest. We just simply slide it in and then turn the knob to tight. Then we can connect the connector. You will find arrows on both connectors. We match them together, insert them together, and then turn the knob in the middle to tight. We have the connection well set. Wheelchair actually has free-wheel mode design that allows you to have manual or electric control mode switch. Simply, we just turn the lever to the front. We are entering into the manual control mode that allows us to push by hand. If you want to control through electric mode, simply just put two levers on the back here. We are right at electric mode that we can control through electric. Simply we want to access the wheelchair, just turn the lever up. That allows us to flip up the armrest, and then we can access from the sides. Really simple, easy. Either you can choose to access from the front too. Battery actually has been charged. We simply just turn the power on. We can start to run the wheelchair to the front, to the back, or to both sides, right and left. Even a 360-degree rotation is no problem at all. When it comes to charging the battery, there are actually two ways for your choice. First of all, you can choose the joystick controller charge. Simply just plug in the plug right at the front of the controller here. Then you can connect to power source for direct charge. The second way is the battery charge. It's an all-board charge design. We just lift up the handlebar battery that we can pull out the battery. Really simple and easy. Right at from the battery box, that there is a charging port that simply you just connect the connector here, and then you can take out the battery. Either you can take it inside the home or you can take out to any other places with power source for charging. Is really convenient. To force up the wheelchair is really simple and easy. We will find out a knob right on the back of the wheelchair. Simply just pull the knob out. At the same time, we push the seat back to the front a little bit. We have one hand holds the frame of the seat base, the other hand holds the top of the seat back. We can push them towards the center. At the same time, we can force up the wheelchair in just a few seconds. Really simple and easy. Final thing is the seat back, which is foldable. We just push the two levers on each side and then turn the seat back down. We have the wheelchair folded. I hope you find out the initial setup and unbox of D29A is very simple and easy for you. If you got any question, please check out user's manual, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for further information. Please don't forget to put your thumb up. Thank you very much.